What's up, YouTube? Vic reporting live right here from the shop. Got a 2011 Jeep Liberty right here, making a real loud noise. I put that little doctor stethoscope. I was listening to the pulleys, so I checked it out. Gotta take this cover off, and sounds like it's the AC pump. So gotta get the AC pump out, swap it out, making a real loud noise, and gonna swap it out real quick. Got this one right here, these Dodge Nitros. These things, if you got one of these, the door panels, man, it's all one unit. It's not like a regular window regulator. So you got to take out the whole door panel. It's all one piece. So when you swap these things out, it all comes together. Even your door handle, you can't buy your door handle by itself. You got to buy the whole unit. Yeah. And it needs a new radiator. Doing this. Hope everybody's having a good day out there. Have a good one, man. Positive vibes only. No player haters allowed.